How to fix Instagram archive story not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram archive story not showing problem. So guys, first of all, please go and subscribe to our channel, and then please hit the like button. So let's get started. Let's go to the Google Play Store. First of all, let's go to the Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. Just click to Instagram and you can see here an update option. So you have to update it. If your Instagram is not updated, you have to update the Instagram. And then the second step is you have to restart your phone and then reopen your application. The problem might solve. So if the problem doesn't work, then go to your phone settings and then go to app management. You can see app management, or you will find install app or anything in other device. So now go to Instagram here, and then you have to do is just click on force stop, and you have to stop the force, and then click on click here, and then you have to clear all the data here. Now you can see here a permission button. Just click to just click to permission, and you have to allow all the permission as I have already allowed it. Now again you have to restart your phone and then reopen the application, and you can check whether the problem is solved or not. It might solve. So guys, what you these are the problem you are facing. So what you have to do is last step is just uninstall your Instagram and then reinstall it. After reinstalling, you have to log in with your email and password, and then what you have to do is go to your Instagram and then just click on the 3 days. You can see here, you have to click here, and then you can see archive. Just click here, and then you can see here we can see the story here. So this is how you can fix Instagram archive story not showing problem. Thanks for watching.